Right.
Wow, thumbs up.
Follow us, Dad.
He doesn't like walking on the rock. Nick, pay attention, okay? Sit right in the middle of the shell. Sorry, now.
Sit in the middle. Pay attention where you're going. She got shoes on?
No.
Oh, okay. That's why she's tiptoeing.
And her feet are
Sore.
very sore.
Yep.
Come on.
She have a farrier work on her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I walking by us while
Okay.
it is.
Mm,
I walk.
Yeah,
by
she's
us,
sore.
Dad.
yep.
A little better. We're not going to go very far. We gotta get some shoes put on her. Sore feet. Aw. Sore feet. Sore feet. Yeah. There's the crew. Come on. We'll just go down a little ways. Hold on. Nicholas, does your hand sting? Poor feet. Okay. We better hang tight until we get some shoes on her. It's okay. Poke. Poke.
Dad, move.
Hey. Hey.
Whoops.
You're doing a great
Hold
job,
on.
buddy. Hold on to the horn.
Her feet hurt her, honey.
Yeah, they do.
Okay. Okay, stop. Why don't you just get him off? I don't want to hurt her.